Easy, easy way to melt your butter. Get you one coffee cup warmer, a metal measuring cup. Put your butter in there, and it'll melt slow, not too fast, not too, so it won't burn or anything. It'll be just the right temperature. And there we go. Butter's all melted, ready to go. Not too hot, not too warm, just the right amount. So by the time you're ready to use it, put it in your mix, it's ready. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye now.